So I'll be showing you how to turn on the keyboard sounds on your iPhone. So what you need to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, go to sounds and haptics, tap on that, and then under sound and haptics, find keyboard feedback, tap on that, and then you should see the option for sound, and if it's off, turn it on. So when it's green and to the right, that means the sound is now enabled for the keyboard feedback on your iPhone. So now anytime you're on the keyboard, you should hear that feedback. Let me just bring it closer to the microphone so you can hear. So that's basically how to enable or how to turn on keyboard sounds on your iPhone. This works for most recent iPhones. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.